Hello Northway, it's Daniel. I hope all of you are well, and today I'm gonna show you to make this magnific alligator. Wow. Okay, to do this alligator we need 2 egg boxes, one small for the head and the big one for the body, 2 toilet roll paper, glue, scissors, 1 marker, tape, 2 colors, green and red one, paintbrush, and some paper. Okay, first we are start with the small box for the alligator head. So we need to cut this side of the box, join here with sellotape, and we have the alligator head and mouth. Okay, now let's go to do the alligator body. So that's the same thing. Cut carefully this side, and with this part of the box we're gonna make the alligator tail. Gonna join with the alligator body with tape. And we are doing the same with the body and the alligator head. Now we're gonna take the toilet paper roll and we're gonna cut in half carefully with the scissors. And we got the alligator's legs, alligator leg, and with the marker and 1 paper we draw the alligator toes shapes like this. So now we got the alligator toes, and then we're gonna cut around with the scissors. And now with the glue, we're gonna stick the legs with the toes and join together. And we stick them with glue to the alligator body like this. We make zigzag line for the alligator teeth, and with the scissors just cut around the teeth, and the same thing with the alligator eyes. And then with the scissors we cut around. Okay, then glue it the alligator teeth and just stick here and let dry. And the same thing with the alligator eyes. Glue it and stick on the alligator's head like this. Okay, once that the glue is dry, we're gonna paint our alligator in green color. Green color for the body, green color for the alligator head, green color for the tail, and red color for the alligator's mouth. Now our alligator is ready. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a lovely summer and see you later. Alligator.